Warm afternoon to everyone. So today we have Mr. Dulab Sarkar, Sir Dulab Sarkar, who has been teaching English, spoken English and personality development for past 15 years. And with that, he has also completed his masters in English from NPU, North Bengal University, and also from College London. He has a vocational course from Brompton College London. And today we have got an opportunity to invite him to the school and for a particular session, for personal development session for you guys, for your better benefit. I would like to introduce you to Mr. Dulab. Sir, please come forward. It is an honor that we have you in the stage, and with this, I said.
Moving forward, we have our chairman sir who will be felicitating him with the khada. Okay, and next we have our principal sir who will be giving a small token of love from our school, Memento.
Now I would like to hand over the stage to Sir Dulab. And sir, the stage is all yours. You can have your session with your students.
Hello. Best afternoon, everyone. Best afternoon.
Loud, boys.
Say loudly, best afternoon. Yes. As you have already known, my name is Dulab Sarkar. I was born and brought up in the heart of beautiful city Shillong. I completed my masters and graduation with English honors. And today, I'm very thankful for giving me such a beautiful opportunity by our principal sir, Pallab Chakraborty. Okay, and I'm here specially to share something which is very important for every student. Okay, and related to communication, I would like to say something about English and communication skill. Why it is so much important in modern time? Okay, related to communication, I would like to say, sir, please. Related to communication, I would like to say, it is just only conveying your message, your ideas, and your thoughts to the other people. And if you successfully can do it, the world is going to know who you are. If you don't talk, if you don't try, your education cannot be seen from outside. Because how educated you are is not visible on your face. But the moment you will start talking with somebody else, that is the time when you start sharing what you are and who you are. Okay? So, do you know how many kinds of communications are there? There are many types of communication. There are many kinds of communication, like vocal communication and written communication and visual communication. Now, if I talk about the vocal communication, when you are talking, it means you are sharing what you have. Your voice will convey your knowledge, and your face, means your visual communication, will convey your identity. Okay? So you have to talk more. You have to, if you want to improve your English communication skill, you have to talk more. This is the only way to develop a language. When there are so many students from government schools, why 90% of government schools cannot talk in English? It's only because they are not given the opportunity to talk, to share what they feel. And 10% students, they somehow manage to find their environment. That's why they can develop their English communication skill. Even I myself was from government school. I was not among 90% of the students. I was among 10% of students. That's why somehow I developed my communication skill, irrespective of whatever environment I grew up. Okay? So, English is not a subject, first of all. If you want to develop your English communication skill, don't read English as a subject. Don't read it only to qualify your examination or to get good marks. It is a language, and a language should be learned only by speaking, only by practice. If you want to learn how to swim in water, then you need to get into the water. And here you are getting that opportunity. Our Ballabhar, our JVS school, all the staff and all the members, all the other teachers, they are doing hard work. You know why? Because in this locality, here in Shantinagar, in our JVS International School, we are trying to provide the best environment with the best faculties here. And you need to interact with the teacher in English. And I really appreciate the way Pallab sir and all the other teachers, they are just doing hard work to develop your skill, to develop your English communication skill, so that you can share what is there. You can share your ideas, you can share your thoughts with the world, globally. That's why you need to improve your English communication skill. And we know environment is very important. And you get this environment, and sir is trying to provide that environment. Feel like when you enter the school, never feel that you are in Siliguri. Always feel like that you are in Washington DC. Or you are in New York Times Square. This is exactly what I make my students feel. English, it's a communication. You have to talk. I'll remind you one more thing. Like Einstein used to say, if you want to learn something from your teacher, from your mentor, you have to do one thing. You have to ask questions. If you don't ask questions, then no one is going to give you the answer. If you don't get answer, you won't be able to speak. Because we need input. When you have input, then only you can show output. Okay? So this is what you have to do. And children are the power of the nation. We know it very well. And India is the youngest country in the world. This is the best part. We have the power to be the leading country. And better India lies in better future of the young students like you. Okay? So everybody has to try to develop their English communication skill, because it may open up the doors of opportunity in future. In a country like India, or in the society where we are just living, it is believed that your English communication skill, or if you are able to speak in English, you are very talented. No matter how dumb you are, no matter how less marks you scored in body exam, it doesn't matter. When you are just communicating your thoughts in English, people think, the society thinks that you are very brilliant. And this perspective opens up doors of opportunities in your coming time. And I'm telling you one more benefit of learning English or reading English. When you are able to read English, it means you are connected globally with the global information. You can understand what is happening in Microsoft. You know what is going on in Elon Musk Tesla. You know how Neuralink is working. You know how Anton Robotics is manufacturing the humanoid robot like Sophia with the combination of artificial intelligence and programming. So these are the benefits if you know English. You are not connected locally, you are connected globally. So reading ability improves your knowledge, and speaking ability improves your personality. So you have to read English so that you can speak English. If you want to be a good speaker, if you want to be an influential person in the society, the best quality, the best ability is you have to develop your English communication. Okay? And remember, here in JVS school, what we are doing, what principals are and the other teachers' intention is Our intention is that from our school, we will try to provide you the base knowledge, base skills, base ability. But the important thing is that teachers always want to give you the best. But you all have to have the capacity to take it. For example, like principal is trying to give you, suppose I'm telling you one example. If principal sir give you something with a big bucket, but if you just come in here with a small glass, can you hold all the things? No. So you need to receive what our teachers are trying to give you. This is very important. Okay? And I'll not get so much excited. I'm here to give you some tips how you can improve your English communication skill no matter where you go. See, you are very fortunate. You all students are very fortunate that you are connected with Xavier's International School and with all the faculty members, with the principals. They are so loving teachers. Okay, they are trying to give you the best environment. Try to use it. Try to use it. Listen. The moment I'm telling you, you should not be afraid of English communication. Because I teach 90% students I teach, they are from government school. They are from Bengali medium. I'm just telling you how I train them, you try to use them when you are outside the school. Because when you are inside the school, our sir, our other faculty members, our teachers, they are trying to give you the best. But how do you maintain that same environment outside the school? See, I teach my students, you have to talk. First of all, you have to raise questions. You maintain English environment at your home. Hello. Now I'm going to share. See, if the teachers talk, the teachers will improve. If the students talk, then the students will improve. And we want students will improve fast. Because teachers already know. So you have to repeat after me few lines or few sentences. I want to see how you talk, how you repeat, how you copy me. Okay, are you ready? Yes, sir. Okay, very good. You just repeat after me what I'm saying. Okay, try to say. This is called vocal practice. If you don't speak, you cannot be a speaker. If you always listen, listening ability is the quality of being audience. An audience never get paid in the society. So we want you will be speaker. You will be influencer. Okay? Fine. First of all, just repeat what I am saying. Try to copy me. Exactly with the same reason. I am telling you. We are the students of Xavier's International School. We love our school very much. We love our teachers. We love our principals. We are very grateful to the hard work of our principals. We are not born to do ordinary things. We are born to do miracles in life. We are the leaders of the future. We are the father of the nation. We have the youngest country of the world. We can lead the world. We are the youngest country and we are born to do miracles. Indians are genius. We are proud to be Indian. Xavier's International School is the best school in Siliguri. prove it. I promise you that I will listen to the advice to our principal, to our all teachers. Okay. Okay, I'm just telling you just a small sentence, okay? English is not a difficult language. Everybody can speak in English. If Bengali is my mother tongue, then English should be our mother tongue. Okay. And so, from today, you have to practice your vocals like that, and you have to ask questions to the teachers, to the principals, and they will try their best to improve your English communication skills. Okay? And if you want to stay connected with me, if you want to listen to my advice, then you can visit my channel. I have my YouTube channel. There I'm teaching a lot of students from India, from abroad, from different parts of this country and also outside this country. Okay? So my name is Durlabh Sir. Spelling, just remember the spelling. I want you that you should stay connected with the positive content, with the positive teachers, with the positive people in the society. Okay? Visit my channel. Durlabh Smith. Okay? Spelling is Durlabh, Durlabh and Smith. S-M-I-T-H. Those who don't know my title, but I just made this title because if you search Durlabh Smith, only my channel will come. There I share so many good advice, so many good ideas for the development of students' English communication skills. Okay, and sometimes if I have time, so definitely I'll come here to this school to support you with beautiful tips. Okay, so let's get to this moment and keep practicing your English and keep improving yourself and share what is there. That's it for today, and I'll see you again. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Durlabh Sir, for conducting such a wonderful program. And the students are the maximum beneficiary of this program. Mr. Durlabh Sir, a renowned English trainer of our city, and he promised he will come time to time in our school for just conducting such this type of programs where you can understand English better and you will feel better with English. Thank you very much. I would like to thank Mr. Biplab Chakraborty, the president of our school, also for encouraging us to conduct such a wonderful program. Now I would like to hand over the mic to Mr. Shobhadip Chakraborty.
It's a very pleasurable moment that we had with Mr. Durlabh. So very thankful to Sir Durlabh, and thank you to Principal Sir Mr. Pallab Chakraborty and our Chairman and President Sir Mr. Biplab Chakraborty for conducting this program. I hope students have learned something new today in this campus. Is it? Yes, sir. So that is very beneficial for the students, and with this we come to the end of our program, and I wish Sir Durlabh again visits our school with something new and with more time. Thank you everyone, thank you teachers for giving the time, thank you the students for standing in this scorching heat. So that's the end of our program with a big round of applause for the principal sir, Sir Durlabh and the chairman sir. A big round of applause please.
Bring the phone. Where's the phone? Where's the phone? Get the phone, sir.